Tired of juggling multiple payment methods for your Apple subscriptions? I'm going to show you how to simplify your life by paying for iCloud with your Apple ID balance. First, unlock your iPhone and tap on the Settings app icon. It looks like a gray gear. At the top of the Settings menu, you'll see your name and Apple ID. Tap on that. Now, in the Apple ID menu, find and tap on Payment and Shipping. This is where you manage your payment methods. Here, you'll see your Apple ID balance displayed. Make sure you have enough balance to cover your iCloud storage plan or other Apple services. If your Apple ID balance is insufficient, you can add funds by tapping on Add Funds. If your Apple ID balance is sufficient to cover your next payment, Apple will automatically use it to pay for your iCloud storage and other subscriptions. If you want to make sure your Apple ID balance gets charged first, you can remove other payment methods from this Payment and Shipping menu. To double-check your subscriptions, go back to the main Settings menu and tap on your Apple ID again, then tap Subscriptions. Here you can view your iCloud subscription and confirm that your Apple ID balance is being used as the primary payment method. If it is not, Apple will use other payment methods on file, like your credit card, debit card, or PayPal. And that's it. You've successfully set up your Apple ID balance to pay for iCloud storage. It's a convenient way to manage your Apple expenses all in one place. If you found this video helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more Apple tips and tricks.